Iraqi Dinar Today latest news starts right now with a deep look into the changing landscape of global currency markets as we move through December 2025. For those who have been closely monitoring the Iraqi dinar and the Vietnamese dong, the current atmosphere is one of significant movement and systemic updates. After years of anticipation and a marketplace that often felt stagnant, we are observing a period where financial institutions are actively rolling out changes that affect how these currencies are viewed and processed. The shift is not just a matter of speculation, but is reflected in the technical updates appearing across various banking platforms, signaling a transition into a more active phase for these international assets. The Iraqi dinar has remained a central point of interest for many global observers who have long awaited a shift in its official status and exchange accessibility. For a considerable duration, the market appeared to be at a standstill as banks maintained a cautious stance and official channels remained limited. However, the current environment in 2025 shows a marked departure from that previous inertia. New values are beginning to surface on bank screens, which serves as a practical indicator that the underlying financial systems are being adjusted. This evolution suggests that the mechanisms required for currency movement are being tested and implemented in real time, creating a new reality for those following Iraqi economic developments. When these new values appear on institutional screens, it generally indicates that the internal systems of banks are undergoing comprehensive updates to accommodate potential changes. This technical activity is a prerequisite for any formal shift in how a currency is traded or exchanged through official banking corridors. It represents a transition from a state of waiting to a state of active processing, where the plumbing of the financial system is being primed for increased liquidity and accessibility. For anyone holding these notes, this phase underscores the importance of staying informed and understanding the logistical requirements that come with a moving market. In this evolving environment, the role of documentation and personal preparedness cannot be overstated. Financial institutions operate under strict regulatory frameworks and must verify the legitimacy of every transaction they process. This means that having a clear and organized record of your currency holdings is essential for a smooth experience. Key documents such as original purchase receipts, proof of acquisition, and valid identification are the foundations of a successful interaction with the banking system. Preparedness ensures that you are not sidelined by bureaucratic delays during a period when the market is gaining momentum. Timing is another critical element to consider as these updates continue to roll out across the globe. While the appearance of new values on bank screens is a promising sign of progress, the implementation is rarely uniform across all regions or individual branches. Some institutions may be early adopters of new protocols, while others may require additional weeks to fully synchronize their internal databases. This staggered rollout means that a proactive approach is necessary, involving research and direct communication with various banking departments to identify which locations are fully equipped to handle specific currency requests. For individuals who manage larger volumes of currency, the level of scrutiny from financial institutions naturally increases. Banks are obligated to protect the integrity of the financial system, which involves thorough verification processes to ensure that all assets are legitimate and properly accounted for. Organizing your notes by denomination and maintaining a chronological record of your transactions can significantly accelerate the verification phase. By being meticulous with your records, you demonstrate a level of transparency that banks value, ultimately facilitating a more efficient and professional exchange process when the time comes. A diversified strategy is often the most effective way to navigate the complexities of the 2025 currency market. Relying on a single bank or a solitary point of contact can limit your options, especially if that specific institution faces technical hurdles or policy restrictions. It is wise to engage with multiple banks and specialized currency departments to compare their readiness and procedural requirements. Exploring various official channels allows you to identify the most efficient paths for your specific needs, ensuring that you are not dependent on a single source for information or execution. Beyond traditional banking institutions, licensed currency dealers remain a viable path for those looking to manage their holdings. These entities often possess a deep specialization in foreign currencies like the Iraqi dinar, and may offer more streamlined processing for large-scale transactions. However, the priority must always be on the legitimacy and licensing of the provider. Sticking to verified and reputable channels is the only way to ensure the safety of your assets. In a fast-moving market, the risk of unverified sources increases, making it vital to conduct thorough due diligence before engaging with any non-bank entity. The importance of technical knowledge regarding your currency notes is another detail that can prevent unnecessary frustration. Some banks or dealers may have preferences or limitations regarding specific series or denominations of the Iraqi dinar. Knowing exactly what you have down to the specific year of issue and the condition of the notes allows you to plan your approach with greater precision. This level of detail-oriented preparation can be the difference between a successful transaction and a return trip due to unforeseen clerical requirements or outdated note series. Maintaining a steady and methodical mindset is perhaps one of the most valuable assets an investor can have in 2025. The nature of currency markets is that they can be unpredictable, and the presence of new values on a screen does not always mean that every door is immediately open. It is common to encounter temporary delays or specific branches that are not yet ready to provide certain services. Approaching these challenges with patience rather than frustration allows you to stay focused on your long-term goals and make logical decisions based on the facts available rather than emotional responses. The power of community knowledge also plays a significant role in staying ahead of market trends. There is a vast network of individuals who share similar interests in the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong, often exchanging real-time updates on which banks are active and which procedures are most effective. Engaging with these communities can provide localized insights that might not be available through official press releases. However, it is important to filter this information through a lens of factual accuracy and to verify any claims against official banking sources before taking action. Physical and digital security should be at the forefront of every currency holder's mind as we see these markets heat up. If you are required to visit a physical location for verification or exchange, ensuring that your assets are transported securely is a basic necessity. Similarly, when using online platforms or digital banking tools, protecting your personal information and transaction data is paramount. In a year defined by rapid financial shifts, being vigilant about security protocols protects not only your current assets, but also your future peace of mind. Transitioning our focus to the Vietnamese dong, we see a parallel story unfolding in 2025. Much like the dinar, the dong has shown recent activity on bank screens that has caught the attention of market analysts. Driven by robust economic growth in Vietnam, increased foreign direct investment, and shifting trade policies, the dong is experiencing a period of renewed attention. These movements are significant because they suggest that the Vietnamese economy is reaching a level of maturity that requires updated financial valuations and more sophisticated exchange mechanisms within the global banking system. The logistical requirements for managing the Vietnamese dong are remarkably similar to those of the Iraqi dinar. Holders must prioritize documentation, understand the specific requirements of their local banks, and be aware of how different denominations are handled. The fact that both currencies are showing activity simultaneously suggests a broader trend in the 2025 financial landscape, where emerging market currencies are being reintegrated into active banking systems. This dual movement requires twice the diligence and a well-rounded understanding of how global economic policy affects both Middle Eastern and Southeast Asian markets. As we look at the big picture, the pillars of a successful approach in this market remain consistent: documentation, verification, timing, and security. The appearance of new values on bank screens for both the Iraqi Dinar and the Vietnamese Dong marks a significant milestone in what has been a multi-year journey for many. While the path forward requires patience and careful planning, the evidence of systemic updates provides a clear indication that the financial world is moving forward. Stay informed, stay organized, and remain proactive as these markets continue to evolve in the coming weeks. Would you like me to draft a brief follow-up script, focusing specifically on the documentation checklist mentioned in this story?